Okay, it's here, tour, day 1. We play Bristol tonight. I need to get my drums in the car. I need to get to the drop-off bit, and then we go. So, bam, let's go. Okay, just hear a pickup. Need to get the drums out, get them loaded, and we go. Your leg's not cold, man.
I can cope with cold legs. I can't cope with...
That is brave, I love it.
Yeah. Warm in there.
Yeah, I've gone for comfort.
Comfort is key.
I'm gonna get changed at the hotel for the...
We all good, boys?
Day number 1.
Yeah.
Just playing a bit of Jenga, aren't we?
As always.
Yeah. I'm rubbish at shit like this.
Cool, thank you. That's right. That is not my name. Eater. Boys, so this is for the single room on your own.
And it's going to be rock, paper, bang.
1,
Paper, scissors.
Oh,
He's actually done the double whammy.
that is incredible. Oh, is this another rock, paper, scissors to see who will get the paper, scissors, and then on scissors?
No, yeah, on scissors. So.
Rock, paper, scissors. Boom! Oh man, I'm losing everything today. It is not my luck. Lost on the room to yourself, and then I lost out on the double bed. So I've got the little single here. I can't wait. Tour Bristol tonight. Let's go! Just waiting to do a sound check. Just chilling. And we boys. What? Here we go. So we just did sound check, and it was good. We got there in the end. Hello, Connor. Did you have fun at that?
Once we were settled, man, I was loving life.
We've just ordered pizza. We've had pizza here before, and it's sick. So
Actually,
we
I've never
cannot
had the
wait.
pizza
Did you not have it here before?
I'm taking your word for it, so if it's bad, I'll be very upset.
You won't be let down. It's good. So we're just waiting on it now. I panicked and just pulled dumb faces. Hey! You all excited? I got one here. I don't need 2. This is how much. Woohoo! Okay, we had the first show and it went so well. It was sick. Tour's well underway. We're just waiting now for the van to load the gear up, and then we go back to the hotel and we chill out and we get ready for day 2 of London. So much fun. Buzzing. Let's go tour. Did you have a good time, Alex?
Yeah, mate, sick. First day.
Day 1.
Day 1.
Day
London
2.
tomorrow.
Oh, look how cold that is. Some of the guys are just getting some food. And are you on tour if you're not spending the night in service stations at midnight? I don't think so. So we're nearly at the hotel. We'll get there eventually, and we go to bed, have breakfast, and then day 2 for London. Okay, back at the hotel now. It is, what time is it? 1:15. I'm very tired. Get some sleep, and then we go to London tomorrow for day 2. See you there.